BTS, also known as Bangtan Sonyeondan, is a South Korean boy band that has taken the world by storm with their unique sound, powerful performances, and socially conscious message. They are one of the most popular bands in the world today and have amassed a global following known as the BTS Army. One of the reasons why BTS is my favorite band is their ability to blend different music genres together seamlessly. They incorporate elements of hip-hop, pop, R&B, and EDM to create a sound that is uniquely theirs. Their music is not only entertaining but also has a message of positivity and self-love, which is evident in their lyrics. Their songs often tackle issues such as mental health, societal pressures, and self-acceptance, making them relatable to many people around the world. Aside from their music, BTS is also known for their dynamic and engaging live performances. Their choreography is always on point, and they have a way of connecting with their audience that makes them feel like they are a part of the show. They are true performers and put their all into each and every performance, leaving their fans in awe. Another reason why BTS is my favorite band is their dedication to using their platform for good. They are passionate about making a positive impact on the world and have partnered with various organizations to raise awareness and funds for important causes. They have also spoken out about issues such as bullying, mental health, and discrimination, using their influence to inspire positive change. In conclusion, BTS is a band that has captured the hearts of many with their music, performances, and message of positivity. They are more than just a group of talented musicians. They are role models who use their platform for good. As a fan, I am proud to be a part of the BTS Army and excited to see what the future holds for this incredible band.